I started my English journey when it's COVID-19, and I don't know, it's lockdown time and I don't have anything to do, so I started my English journey. But what is do if I start over the same thing in 2025? Just like a time travel, I'll go past and I'll just fix myself to do everything. Let's get on to it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Ms. Moshi. And today you're watching this video because you want to learn English. Am I right? Tell me in the comments. Again, a thing I'd like to share is about what I do if I start over in 2025. And then I'll go to myself exact back to my childhood when I was 9 years old. Now I'm 12, so you know the difference. I've came here struggling, difficulties, and I know exactly what to do if I never struggle difficulties. Let's get on to it. Okay, so first mistake. The mistakes I made is not setting clear goals. You know, this is very, very important, more than usual. When you want to set clear goals by writing on a piece of paper or anything, the goal is controlling behind you. Because, you know what, when our subconscious mind think about something, it did exactly the same thing, right? So first of all, what I do is setting clear goals. Like, I want to speak English fluently and confidently. Bonus tip. In this case, what you're gonna do, let me reveal my secret. I use the pillow technique, which is, I want to speak English, not like that. I speak English fluently and confidently. I write it on a piece of paper and put it under my pillows. When I wake up, I read this note every day. So, in 2 years, I've struggled this for 2 years, eventually. So this pillow technique helps me to set clear goals, right? Let's get into another mistakes I've made. Number 2, learning firstly grammar. Okay, so first of all, I was a child, and just like other parents, many people say that grammar is important. So I heard about that, so I've studied tenses, adjectives, and I watch cartoons in English, movies in English, and different types of English content. First of all, what I do is just consume English content in 2025 to make them a better version when they go to 2027 or 2026. Probably the third number of my mistakes I made is actually number 3. Just speaking. Why? Because writing is also very important. Let me show you one thing. Okay. This diary, this notebook is very old, but still I'm showing it to you. Let me see. So I've written about this topic. I don't know when I was 9 years old, but probably when I was 10 years old, I realized that I have to write everything. So you see, I write jackfruit, hillshire, magpie robin, word meaning and vocabulary. I was crazy at that time for learning English, so I tried every ways that helped me to learn English properly. That's the thing. Number 4, I made the mistakes when I was thinking, like, let's practice with myself. Because I was like a mirror technique I'm applying on myself. Then suddenly I got on a platform, and over that platform I started speaking and having conversations with different countries' people. They appreciate me, plus they correct my mistakes, but most of them are appreciating me at that time because I'm a little kid, I'm learning English. Another thing, guys, is actually that at that time I was thinking like I could learn English by myself, but then I realized that I'm not alone. There's a lot of learners in that English path. So I started watching English teachers video. Before that, I was just watching English related content. English related content and English learning content is much more different because English learning content is YouTubers like Ben and Holly, Peppa Pig, Miraculous Ladybug actually focus on you to understand the English very properly and to understand your subconscious mind about that. But probably English learning channel actually focus on that goal, just like the channel. So probably my channel is an English learning channel, not an English related content. Probably. So what I should watch is actually English learning content plus English related content. Then I should just practice with everybody. Before that would just, like I think myself as a big person, so this is the thing. Hey, the next number tip and the last but not least one is actually, about my English journey, or it's actually, about just not recording video. I know, I suggest many people just record your video and upload it to your channel, but, before I uploaded my first video to my channel, I was just thinking that no one will just comment on my video, no one will like on my video, I have no subscribers, then probably I couldn't came in that path. But thanks to my mom who motivated me to open a YouTube channel. But before that, I was thinking like, it would be just, imagination. It never be true. But today, 1,1.1K subscribers and the strongest family ever. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for your support, and I got this YouTube channel, and I just upload videos regularly, so thank you to you for supporting me and following me on. So probably I just suggest all my videos in order to help you to learn English and just get supporting me in this way that I can make more videos to help you to learn English on your English journey, right? So that's all for today's my videos. I've shared the bonus tips, so follow that before you go to sleep. And again, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon thing for new updates and press the like button, share it with your family and friends. See you later in the next video. Bye!